Here is how to save layouts on Notion so you can reuse your favorite page designs over and over. First, open the Notion page you want to save. This could be a dashboard, task board, or custom tracker. Make sure your layout includes everything you want: headings, columns, toggles, databases, or embeds. Now, highlight all the blocks you want to save by clicking and dragging. Right-click and choose Turn into Template Block, or just copy the layout. Go to a different workspace or page where you want to reuse it. Click anywhere and paste it. The entire layout appears ready to edit. Alternatively, create a template button. Type /template and select Template button. Give it a name like My Layout. Paste the layout inside the template content box. Now, every time you click the button, your saved layout appears instantly. That's how to save and reuse layouts on Notion. Perfect for productivity, teams, and creative workflows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.